Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
The world's top Bitcoin mining ASIC manufacturer Bitmain is reportedly on the verge of opening its first US-based manufacturing plant. The company also reportedly plans to open a new headquarters in Texas or Florida by the end of the third quarter of 2025. Gold prices edged higher as investors awaited the outcome of US-China trade talks and the Federal Reserve's policy meeting. US gold futures settled 0.4% higher. Oil prices rose, extending the previous day's rally, on optimism that a trade war between the United States and its major trading partners was abating, and as President Donald Trump ramped up pressure on Russia over its war in Ukraine.
The sterling-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.